Proactive Engineering is so much more than a printed circuit board assembly house. We are also able to provide a wealth of secondary box build and finished product services to enhance or finish your product. Some of these value-add operations can include wire harnessing, programming, testing, custom packaging, mechanical assembly, metal fabrication and machining, labeling, custom or off-the-shelf metal and plastic enclosures, and complete order fulfillment. When your printed circuit board assembly is assembled into a box build or a finished assembly, at Proactive Engineering we take care of all the little details. When your project is assembled and managed in one place, you only have to manage one vendor instead of 8 or 10. What does that mean for you, the customer? That means better control, better quality, and faster time to market.